We built a couple more present option ideas. We have a smaller 3x3 option for you and a 5x5 option. In the last video, we brought you an 8x8 option, which we didn't show a tutorial of, but today we're going to show you exactly how to build this piece by piece and all the pieces that were part of it. Very simple build to build. Great for the holidays, for Christmas time. Here are all the individual Lego parts that were used for this. Really some very basic pieces, and you can use any two colors that you have as long as you have these different pieces. There's 8 4x4 bricks of one color. You'd then need 2x1 bricks, 4 of them, of any color, same color. We used red. Our blue bricks, as you can see, there's 6 2x1s, 2 3x1s, 4 1x1s, and then 3x1s here. These are thin, flat pieces. These are also thin 1x3s in blue. For 1x1 peg. 4 flat, smooth plates. These are 2x2 in the red there. And then lastly, if you have some piece that you can use for the bow, step 1, take these 8 pieces. This is going to be the first layer of the present. There's how that looks all together. Next, we're going to take all of our flat plates that are blue. What we need to do is simulate a middle 3x3 piece that looks like a brick. You can do this if you have one color 3x3 brick or 3 3x3 thin plates. So we're going to create that now. First, take 2 of them, put them together. Take another one, put it on top. So there we go. There's our finished 3x3 brick plate. Here's that 3x3 plate connected on there. We're then going to take all of these pieces, the 4 blue 1x1s, the 4 red 1x1s, and the 4 2x1s. We're going to wrap that around this layer here. Here it is with the blue pieces on. 2x1 bricks are added, and the 1x1 bricks are added in. Next, we take these remaining bricks and add them on to the top layer. First, add the 4 2x2 bricks, the 1 3x1 brick, and fill in the rest of the 2x1 bricks. Next, we want to add in our flat plates. Put the 1x1 peg in the middle, the 4 flat 2x1 plates, remaining 2x2 plates. Then, just add in our bow right in the middle. So, the last thing you can do is you can switch the blowout for different ideas. One is this wedge piece. So there's that. So there's the finished product. And the next one, Oliver's going to show you how to build this present that he built, this 3x3 option. So if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.